There are so many times when Christians will struggle with the same sin over and over and over and over again. And they get to the point where they think there's just no hope. Nothing is ever going to change. It is at that moment that you need to stand upon the promises of God regarding who you are, regarding what He has promised, and you need to go on. You need to press on to know the Lord. You need to press on to cultivate greater and greater holiness and righteousness in your life. Because of the work that He has done in you already, never, never, never give up. Never stop. Keep pressing on. Keep fighting. Keep walking. Keep moving. Keep clinging. And in the end, and even before the end, you will see victory.